Hi there, I am Jessica, hiring manager at Vein Philippines, and this is a day in my life. So every morning starts with a good breakfast and a strong cup of coffee to kick off the day. So Sunday po ngayon, and I wanted to show you what my day off looks like. First Sunday, sumimba kami sa Lukban with my lolo, then nagmerienda at nagplay kami sa McDo. This is what I love most about Vein, the ability to blend work with family and friends. So after that, nag-lunch kami with family, and after lunch ay nag-quick catch-up lang kami ni Ate Rachel, isa sa mga hiring manager dito sa Vein. So after po noon ay umuwi lang kami para magbihis kasi mag-a-attend naman kami ng birthday party with friends and family. Then yun, kumain lang kami, nag-enjoy, and it's really a balance that enhances both my personal and professional life. So pag-uwi, ito po yung aking workspace I want to share with you. Nag-check lang ako ng emails at ng calendar, saka mga updates, baka lang kasi may mga urgent meeting kinabukasan.